Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable smart notifications, meaning that when this feature is enabled, your notifications are sent to where you are. So when you're active on Twitch, you will get a notification when a channel you follow goes live. When you are not using Twitch, you'll get either a mobile notification or an email notification. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and then click on this profile button that you can find at your homepage in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on settings. After that, go to the top of this section and tap on notifications, which is the fifth option. And here you can find the smart notifications feature that you can enable by tapping on this button next to it, so that when you are active on Twitch, you will get an on-site notification, as you can see, but when you're not using, you'll get a mobile or email notification. So here you can turn on Twitch notifications when a live starts, when a guest star invites you on their stream as a guest, and here are other options that you can turn on by simply tapping on these buttons. You can also set email notifications and phone notifications as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.